The Great Escape Londoners, leaving the nest. London, for all its bustling glory, is seeing a curious exodus. The city, known for its vibrant culture, historical landmarks, and endless opportunities, is witnessing a significant shift. It seems the younger generation, those brought up on the city's energy, are packing their bags. Their destination? Australia. This trend isn't just a fleeting thought, it's a well-considered decision for many. This isn't just a holiday, it's a potential life change. Young Londoners are seeking new horizons, driven by a mix of adventure, career opportunities, and a desire for a different lifestyle. The numbers are climbing, with more and more Brits swapping grey skies for golden beaches. The allure of Australia's sunny climate, outdoor lifestyle, and laid-back culture is hard to resist. But why now? And is it more than just a fleeting trend? The reasons are multifaceted. Economic factors such as the high cost of living in London play a significant role. Many young professionals find it challenging to afford housing and maintain a comfortable lifestyle in the city. Additionally, the rise of remote work has made it easier for people to relocate without sacrificing their careers. The pandemic has shown that many jobs can be done from anywhere, prompting a re-evaluation of where people want to live. For some, it's about starting a family in a more relaxed environment. Australia offers a quality of life that many find appealing, with its emphasis on work-life balance and outdoor activities. The natural beauty of Australia is another significant draw. From stunning beaches to vast national parks, the country offers a wealth of outdoor experiences that are hard to find in the urban sprawl of London. Social factors also come into play. The friendly and welcoming nature of Australians makes it easier for newcomers to integrate and build a new social circle. While the move is exciting, it's not without its challenges. Adjusting to a new culture, finding housing, and navigating visa requirements can be daunting. However, the potential rewards seem to outweigh the risks for many. As more Londoners make the leap, they share their stories and experiences, inspiring others to consider the move. The trend shows no signs of slowing down, as the promise of a new life in Australia continues to captivate the imaginations of young Brits. Whether it's the pursuit of adventure, better career prospects, or simply a change of scenery, the exodus from London to Australia marks a significant shift in the aspirations of the younger generation. Only time will tell if this trend will continue to grow. But for now, the Great Escape is in full swing, with Londoners leaving the nest in search of new beginnings down under. Australia's sunny appeal, more than just the weather. Let's be honest, the weather is a factor. The constant drizzle and overcast skies in London can be quite the mood dampener. It's not just about getting wet, it's about the grey, the gloom, and the general feeling of being under a perpetual cloud. For many, this can be a significant drawback, especially for those who thrive on sunlight and clear skies. London's notorious drizzle can wear even the most stoic Brit down. The rain seems to be an ever-present companion, making it a challenge to plan outdoor activities or even enjoy a simple walk without an umbrella. The city's charm is undeniable, but the weather can sometimes overshadow its beauty. Australia, on the other hand, offers an abundance of sunshine, perfect for outdoor living. The sun shines brightly, inviting people to step outside and soak in the warmth. Whether it's a day at the beach, a picnic in the park, or a simple stroll, the weather in Australia encourages an active and vibrant lifestyle. But it's not just the climate. The allure of Australia extends beyond its sunny disposition. The cities, like Sydney and Melbourne, boast clear skies and a bustling urban life. Outdoor cafes are a common sight, where people can enjoy their meals while basking in the pleasant weather. The atmosphere is lively and the energy is palpable. Salaries are generally higher, especially in skilled sectors. The job market in Australia is robust, offering competitive wages that attract professionals from around the world. The higher salaries provide a better standard of living, allowing people to enjoy the finer things in life without constant financial stress. And let's not forget, they speak English there, albeit with a unique twang. The familiar language makes it easier for expatriates to adapt and integrate into the community. Conversations flow smoothly, and the cultural nuances are easier to grasp, making the transition to life in Australia more seamless. It's a familiar culture with an added dose of sunshine vitamin D. The blend of a recognizable way of life with the benefits of a sunnier climate creates an appealing package. The outdoor lifestyle, combined with the friendly and laid-back Australian demeanor, makes it an attractive destination for those looking to escape the dreariness of more temperate climates. London's squeeze. When the city bites back. London's charm comes at a price, and it's one that's increasingly hard to afford. Rent has skyrocketed, wages haven't kept pace, and the cost of living is enough to make anyone consider emigration. Add to that concerns about rising crime rates and a sense of unease, and suddenly London's sparkle seems a tad tarnished. For young professionals, the dream can quickly become a struggle. Opening the gates, Australia's welcome mat for Brits. Australia isn't just passively benefiting from London's woes. They're actively rolling out the welcome mat, especially for Brits. Visa regulations have been relaxed, making it easier than ever to relocate. The working holiday visa age limit has been bumped up, and you can stay longer. No more being tied to specific industries either. Come as you are, skilled professionals. The NHS Exodus trading scalpels for surfboarding. Australia's healthcare system is facing its own challenges, namely a shortage of qualified staff. Enter British healthcare workers. The NHS, while a beloved institution, is feeling the strain. Long hours, budget cuts, and increasing demands are pushing many to breaking point. Australia offers a tempting alternative: better pay, better work-life balance, and maybe even the chance to catch a wave after a shift. Beyond the backpackers, a new generation of Aussies is in the making. This new wave of immigrants is redefining what it means to be an Australian. They are bringing with them a wealth of experience, skills, and a fresh perspective that is enriching the cultural tapestry of the nation. It's not just footloose backpackers anymore. The new arrivals are professionals, families, and individuals who are looking for more than just a temporary escape. They are seeking a permanent change, a new beginning in a land that promises opportunity and a better quality of life. The profile of the average Brit moving to Australia is changing. No longer are they just young adventurers with a backpack and a dream. Now, they are families with children, middle-aged professionals, and even retirees looking to spend their golden years in a warmer climate. We're seeing older, more established professionals making the leap. These individuals have built successful careers and are now looking for a lifestyle that offers a better work-life balance. They are attracted by Australia's robust economy, excellent healthcare system, and the promise of a more relaxed way of life. They're not just chasing adventure, they're seeking a life change. For many, Australia represents a chance to slow down, to enjoy the simple pleasures of life, and to spend more time with family and friends. The beautiful beaches, the outdoor lifestyle, and the friendly community make it an ideal place to start anew. Australia represents a chance to prioritise well-being, escape the rat race, and maybe even buy a house with a garden. In the UK, owning a home with a garden is often a distant dream, especially in crowded cities like London. But in Australia, this dream can become a reality. The spacious homes, the green spaces, and the emphasis on outdoor living are a big draw for many. A distant dream for many in London. The hustle and bustle of city life, the high cost of living, and the often gloomy weather can take a toll. In contrast, Australia offers a more laid-back lifestyle, with plenty of sunshine, open spaces, and a strong sense of community. It's no wonder that so many Brits are choosing to make the move and start a new chapter in their lives down under. Work less, live more, the Aussie lifestyle promise. For many London transplants, the Aussie lifestyle lives up to the hype. Salaries are higher, commutes are shorter, and the emphasis on outdoor living is a breath of fresh air. Australians work to live, not the other way around. There's time for beach trips, barbecues, and exploring the vast natural beauty. It's a different pace of life, one that prioritises enjoyment and work-life balance. Trading Big Ben for the outback. It's not always a fair swap. It's not all sunshine and shrimp on the barbie. Australia has its downsides too. Some Brits struggle to adapt to the cultural differences. It can feel less progressive, more laid back, and sometimes even a bit isolated. Environmental concerns are also a factor, with Australia's track record on climate change a source of anxiety for some. London's enduring charm. Can you ever really leave? Despite the exodus, London still holds a certain allure. Its history, its energy, its sheer diversity are hard to replicate. Many who've moved to Australia admit to missing certain aspects of London life: the pubs, the theatre, the buzz of a truly global city. While Australia offers a different pace and new opportunities, London's unique character continues to beckon, a reminder of home,